What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to pair your Onn remote control with TV. So if you have any issue with your Onn remote control, for instance the remote control disconnected with the TV, or the remote control is not just working, or some buttons on the remote control is not just working, this video will help you pair your Onn remote control with TV. It doesn't matter whether you have the Onn 4K Google TV streaming box or the Onn Android TV box or even an Onn TV, the process is actually the same. Now, to pair your Onn remote control with TV, what you just want to do is to come over to your Onn Google TV or Android TV box, and you're going to see a button just at the back where you have your HDMI cable connected. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and long press on that particular button for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold for about 5 seconds. If you're using an actual Onn TV, you can just keep this particular process. But then if you have an Onn TV box, whether it's an Android TV or a Google TV, press on that button for 5 seconds and you're going to see this particular page. Now what you just want to do is to come over to your Onn remote control, and then on your remote control you want to go ahead and press, as the instruction shows on the TV, the back button and the home button for 5 seconds. So just press the back button and the home button for 5 seconds. I'm going to do that just now. So you want to go ahead and press the back button and the home button just like so. Now you're going to see the light at the top of your remote control, and after some time it will start blinking just like so. And give it some few seconds and automatically your remote control will be paired with your Onn TV. And that is basically how to pair your Onn remote control with TV and fix any issue like your Onn remote control not working, or some buttons on the remote control are not just working, or for some reasons the remote control is not responding with the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.